I made this shelf from scrap wood and some magnets. Where are the magnets, you might say? Under the dots. From a project, I had left over this beautiful piece of hardwood called Coco Bolo, and it's got a beautiful rich dark grain and has the sapwood here, and I just absolutely love it. So this is a project that you could do with any leftover scrap that you might find yourself with. So to pull off this magic shelf, we need to use magnets. In order for our magnets to work and to actually hold your keys, we have to get the wood on top of them to be very, very thin. The way that we're gonna do that is by drilling a hole that is slightly thicker than the thickness of our magnet. And we're gonna gauge that thickness by using a spacer. I've chosen to use this tiny brass washer. Whoop! When I drill the hole, I will drill space that is the thickness of the magnet plus the thickness of the washer. Then I will remove the washer, thus leaving space for my wooden dowel to go on top. Then when I place my keys on it later, the magnet can work through the wood. I don't like it when things are just perfectly evenly spread out all the time. I think that things that aren't perfectly symmetrical look more handmade and look nicer. Just by offsetting the distances and making the spaces in between different, I think it makes things look a little bit more interesting and not so machined like it was pumped through some factory somewhere. So we go there, we go there, we go there. Next up is to drill. Now, I already have my Forstner bit selected. This Forstner bit is 1 inch thick. And I just don't want to go too far in. I'm gonna just keep going down all the way and testing this as I go. Place the magnet in and make this flush. The next step is going to be gluing the magnet in like this and then gluing a piece of dowel on top of it and sitting and letting it dry. I put enough glue in there to get what's called squeeze out. Squeeze out's important because it lets you know that glue has gone everywhere around the two pieces you're trying to put together. When I cut this off, I want any space that's left around the dowel and between my hole to be filled with glue so it looks clean and even. Now that the glue's dry, I can cut off the dowels. Now that I've got the edge sanded, I can apply a little paste wax. After I've got it paste waxed, I'm going to put my brackets on. I just need my pre-drill because this wood is kind of hard. Just right there. Are you feeling it? How cool is that? Yeah. Pretty cool. Now I can put it on my wall. Well, if you like this one, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.